Artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. Specific applications of AI include expert systems, natural language processing, speech recognition, and machine vision. The term may also be applied to any machine that exhibits traits associated with a human mind, such as learning and problem-solving. The ideal characteristic of artificial intelligence is its ability to rationalize and take actions that have the best chance of achieving a specific goal. Let's understand artificial intelligence, AI, briefly. When most people hear the term artificial intelligence, the first thing they usually think of is robots. That's because big-budget films and novels weave stories about human-like machines that wreak havoc on Earth. But nothing could be further from the truth. Artificial intelligence is based on the principle that human intelligence can be defined in a way that a machine can easily mimic it and execute tasks, from the simplest to those that are even more complex. The goals of artificial intelligence include mimicking human cognitive activity. Researchers and developers in the field are making surprisingly rapid strides in mimicking activities such as learning, reasoning, and perception, to the extent that these can be concretely defined. Some believe that innovators may soon be able to develop systems that exceed the capacity of humans to learn or reason out any subject. But others remain skeptical because all cognitive activity is laced with value judgments that are subject to human experience. Now let's see, how does AI work? As the hype around AI has accelerated, vendors have been scrambling to promote how their products and services use AI. Often what they refer to as AI is simply one component of AI, such as machine learning. AI requires a foundation of specialized hardware and software for writing and training machine learning algorithms. No one programming language is synonymous with AI, but a few, including Python, R, and Java, are popular. In general, AI systems work by ingesting large amounts of labeled training data, analyzing the data for correlations and patterns, and using these patterns to make predictions about future states. In this way, a chatbot that is fed examples of text chats can learn to produce lifelike exchanges with people, or an image recognition tool can learn to identify and describe objects and images by reviewing millions of examples. What are examples of AI technology, and how is it used today? Okay. AI is incorporated into a variety of different types of technology. The following are 6 examples I'm giving in this video. 1. Automation. 2. Machine learning. 3. Machine vision. 4. Natural language processing, NLP. 5. Robotics. 6. Self-driving cars. AI as a service, AIaaS. Because hardware, software, and staffing costs for AI can be expensive, many vendors are including AI components in their standard offerings or providing access to artificial intelligence as a service, AIaaS, platform. AIaaS allows individuals and companies to experiment with AI for various business purposes and sample multiple platforms before making a commitment. Popular AI cloud offerings include the following: Amazon AI, IBM Watson Assistant, Microsoft Cognitive Services, Google AI. Artificial intelligence has made its way into a wide variety of markets. Let's consider the following example. How is AI used in healthcare? In healthcare settings, AI is used to assist in diagnostics. AI is very good at identifying small anomalies in scans and can better triangulate diagnoses from a patient's symptoms and vitals. AI is also used to classify patients, maintain and track medical records, and deal with health insurance claims. Future innovations are thought to include AI-assisted robotic surgery, virtual nurses or doctors, and collaborative clinical judgment. Here we reach the end of today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, also like, comment, and share this video. Thanks for watching.